Really?
Wait. Kaya.
Same thing.
Okay, where a lot of films have been filmed. Wait, again. Hey guys, I'm back again with a new video and we're here in Hatley Castle. And this is where a lot of movies have been filmed. And today, I'm going to be speed cubing around the building because I can't go inside. So let's go.
If I drove to you tonight, would you wanna get away? We could get on a flight and leave today. My mind has been running around, thinking away. I'd rather be now. Won't you take my hand and we can get away? Here we go. Our dreams will be a weekend down the road. All I know is we'll be reflecting back when we are old. Let's just run, and as we move we'll see all of the stars align. Now we are young, so just take my hand, let's get away tonight. Here we go. Our dreams will be a weekend down the road. Oh,
I can do it in 2 seconds.
this will be just run, and as we move we'll see all of the stars align. Now we are young, so just take my hand, let's get away.